Good morning, everyone. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments. Well, it's Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Don't expect a whole lot of biz, but you never know. Um, no confirmation yet, but China is believed to have bought 10 to 15 cargoes yesterday. It's a good start, but they've got a lot more to catch up with. We have no confirmation, and Mr. Market, what did he think? Well, beans are up 2 cents, so you tell me. Is it already baked in? Got to remember, we had a $1.57 rally from October 1st to the 18-month high in the beans. And if you're working with me, I screamed at everybody to use it to your advantage. Um, Hopefully you did. I'm not calling a top. I don't play that game. But if you can't reward a $1.57 rally after a horrendous, really a horrendous year, we set in a dollar-wide trading range, I think you maybe should reevaluate what you're doing. To tell you the truth, you don't have to sell it, but boy, you should hedge it. And how long do you have to hedge it for? I would at least hedge it through the January 10th report. The January 10th report. I hope that report's bullish, right? I hope we go another $1.50, but I don't want to be sitting, at the end of January going, oh boy, we had that good rally, and did we do anything with it? So anyhow, everybody's got their own choices to make, right? Overnight jam beans up 2.25 cents, 11.27. We had a nickel range last night, so much for um, explosive rally on 10 to 15 cargoes. I think it's already been baked in, and it hasn't been confirmed yet. March corn 440 and a half, up 2.25 cents, 4 cent range overnight. March wheat, a nickel range last night, unchanged or up a half cent. We're going to see what happens today in the livestock. We did have a pretty good bounce off the $3 support in March yesterday. We went down to 293.30 and then ripped higher. We opened up at 294, made that low at 293. So we were sharply lower and then spent the whole day coming back higher with another $10 range. If you're day trading cattle, I don't care if you're a bull or a bear. Every time you put a one lot on, you're risking $6 now. So a one lot spec is a $3,000 hand of blackjack. Okay, that's the way you've got to look at it right now. And is it good? No. Is it bad? Probably. But it's what we have to deal with in these markets, and it's what we have to work with. I would watch the lean hogs. Hogs did a lot of damage on the chart. Pulled back. Basically a perfect 62% retracement of the April to September rally. As the low end, hopefully, I would say this: if I have hog puts on, I want to make sure they're cheap, because if we were to bounce from 81 cents, back up to 88 or 90 or something like that, if we had a bounce recovery, why would you want a $5 or $6 put to go worthless? You want $1 or $2 put to go worthless. So I'm not saying lift your hedge. Don't worry, we can't go any lower, because the moment you do that, we're back down to 76 cents, and you haven't hedged, and you've left that revenue on the table. So hedging is about defending revenue. If you're a day trader, you probably don't want to listen to what I have to say, because you're always trying to catch the next move. With a producer, you're locked in, you're long. So your hedges need to be about protecting revenue, rewarding rallies, in my opinion. Not to say that I don't work with a lot of speculators. I spent 18 years trading in the pit. I wasn't the hugest pit trader by any means, but I did figure out how to make a living down there for 20 years, which is a lot more than a lot of guys can say. For the last 16 years, I've worked with farmers and producers, and I think that my experience on the floor brings a little bit to the table that some guys might not have. You may think differently. So if you like my information, if you want to find out more about what I do, give me a call, 312-638-8868. You can also look me up online, Robinson Ag Marketing. Sign up for my letter. I charge pretty much what everybody else charges. It's a cup of coffee every day. When you break it down to it, it's like a gym membership. And the nice thing about it is, if you try it service out and you don't like it, what you do is shut it off. If you like it, stick with it. If you're looking for help with order execution, if you need help managing your hedges because you're busy running your life, take care of your farm, take care of your family, I work with farmers like that, and those are the services I provide. And anyhow, give me a call. This is Chris, It is the day before Thanksgiving. I will be here this afternoon. We're closed tomorrow, obviously, for Thanksgiving. Then we'll be back at it for Black Friday. Okay, we'll see if the beans can rally on this news. Right now, they can seem to care less. We're up 2.25 cents. Have a great day. Take care.